Ranveer Singh gets relief from Karnataka High Court in Kantara mimicry case. Well, आपको बता दें, a Bengaluru-based advocate had filed a case against Dhurandhar star Ranveer Singh for mimicking the Kantara scene in January. Well, आपको बता दें, a day after Dhurandhar star Ranveer Singh went to the Karnataka High Court against the FIR filed against him over the mimicry of the iconic Kantara Deva scene, the court has granted relief to the actor, directing authorities to not take any coercive action against him. तो वहीं पर आपको बता दें, बेंगलुरु बेस्ड एडवोकेट ने रणवीर सिंह के खिलाफ एक केस फाइल किया था for mimicking the Kantara scene in January, months after he allegedly made light of the Chamundi Deva tradition sacred to the people of coastal Karnataka. Well, Ranveer Singh courted trouble after the actor mocked the tradition during the closing ceremony of the International Film Festival of India, IFFI, in November. Well, after social media backlash, रणवीर सिंह ने माफी भी मांगी थी for the oversight और उन्होंने ये कहा था कि वो किसी के भी सेंटिमेंट्स को हर्ट नहीं करना चाहते और साथ साथ उन्होंने कांतारा के स्टार और डायरेक्टर ऋषभ शेट्टी की परफॉर्मेंस की बहुत तारीफ भी की। तो वहीं पर द कर्नाटका हाई कोर्ट however instructed the actor to cooperate fully with the ongoing investigation. Well, further hearing in this matter is expected at a later date and orders to be in place on March 2nd, 2026. Well, आपको बता दें, the case related to the Ranveer Kantara controversy was presented before Justice M. Nagaprasanna of the Karnataka High Court. The FIR in the matter has been filed under BNS Section 196 promoting enmity between different groups and 299 deliberate and malicious acts intended to outrage religious sentiments and 302 using words with the intent to hurt religious feelings. Appearing on behalf of Ranveer Singh, senior advocate Sajjan Povaiya addressed the court by first acknowledging the controversy surrounding the case. And Ranveer Singh के remarks को address करते हुए उन्होंने कहा, at the outset, I admit a completely insensitive statement made by me has led to this complaint being filed. And as the proceedings unfolded, the court took note of the background in which the remarks were made. Rishabh Shetty was performing an act of deity goddess Chamundi. He may be aware or may not be aware of the impact of the religious sentiments towards the deity, the judge observed. और वहीं पर highlighting the potential repercussions of such behavior, the court further stated, an act of mimicking Shetty would definitely hurt. You must be responsible in your statements. You can't be loose-tongued at all. You may be Ranveer Singh, you may be anybody. Whether there is mens rea or not, you may be anybody. तो वहीं पर the judge also pointed out, you being an actor have influence on so many people. When you have that, you should be responsible. You may mimic, you may do anything. You have no right to hurt anyone's religious sentiments. Your apology will take back the words. I may forget, you may forget, but the internet never forgets. To this, Ranveer Singh's advocate responded, I bow down. Well, फिलहाल के लिए तो रणवीर सिंह को एक टेम्परेरी रिलीफ डेफिनेटली मिल गया है।